Hello! Today I show you how to create a trading bot with help ChatGPT. Put this prompt, and if it doesn't show you code, type this. Ask about example. After this, copy all the code and create new text document. Name it trading bot, for example. Open this and put all code into it. Save it. And after this, choose the extension py. It's for Python. Delete the text document and go in and download Python on our desktop. Go into the site, download it and install. All these checkboxes need to turn it on. If you don't know how to install it, go to this page. After this, we open command line and add this command, installing Binance library into Python. Next step is adding to our bot API case, Binance API case. To get this API case, we go into the Binance, login, and go into the API management. In this, we click Create API. System generate. Adding random name for our APK. Checking the captcha. And confirm all security codes. It's a verification code by email and by phone. Here we have our APK, but we need to edit restrictions. First of all, we need to add our IP address. We go into 2ip.io, copy our IP address and put it into this area. And this we check restrictions for this API case. After this, we click Save and confirm verification code by phone. Copy this case into our trading bot, API to API, secret to secret. Run Python DLE, open in this our bot, and this, and here you can change your configuration of bot, and then click Run module.